So this might look a little bit rough and ready, and that's probably because it is, but this is my favourite method of growing potatoes. It's called a potato tower because essentially it's a tower that I'm going to grow potatoes in. One of the best things that I really like about this, if you're sort of getting to my age and you've got a bit of a dodgy back, you don't need to do any digging at all. In fact, you don't even need to remove the turf from underneath here because the turf will just die back once you start putting compost in. So basically all you're going to do is throw in a little bit of a compost or mulch, then bung in 1 or 2 potatoes, cover them up with a bit more compost, and then as the potatoes grow, you're just going to keep chucking in a bit more soil, just like you would be normally earthing up potatoes. This is also a really, really good method if you're just short of a bit of space, because it hardly takes any space at all. And some of the potatoes, you know, when you sort of see them on these big allotments and they're sort of taking up half your allotment, this is just such a simple method. I'm just going to do 1 layer of potatoes and then just earth them up. But I have seen towers, enormous towers, where people have actually put in different layers of potatoes. And then they all spill out the sides, so you can get absolutely loads of potatoes in quite a small space. I built my potato tower and I've just chucked in a little bit of organic matter. It can be anything, manure, compost. I've even mixed in a few grass clippings. It will all be fine, it will just rot down. Then I've just got some seed potatoes, probably for something this size, probably just 2 or 3 potatoes will do. You simply just need to bung in a few potatoes. They'll find their own way around. Then once they're in there, just chuck on a little bit more compost and grass clippings just to cover them over. There you go. This is such a cool method. I really, really love this. There you go. They're covered over. Then soon, hopefully, you'll see some shoots growing in a few weeks' time as the sort of soil warms up. As the shoots start to grow, just like you would normal potatoes, just chuck on a little bit more grass clippings or compost. Keep topping it up, probably to about here. Then they'll start to flower. After flowering, just pull this all away and it should be so easy to harvest your potatoes. There you go, no dig growing potatoes. It's a lovely idea. So if you like that video, please do like and subscribe for more BBC Gardener's World magazine gardening action.